You know, when you buy spray bottles over and over and they break almost immediately? I was getting those cheap sprayers from Walmart, and every single time they'd either stop spraying, leak everywhere, or completely quit working after just a few days. And it was driving me crazy because I make my own non-toxic weed killer at home, and the ingredients are not cheap. I was literally wasting money pouring product out of broken sprayers because the sprayer wouldn't work. So I finally upgraded to this Chemical Guys heavy duty acid resistant sprayer, and wow, total difference. This comes with a 32 ounce heavy duty bottle and an industrial strength sprayer head that's designed to resist chemicals and acids. So if you're using cleaning products, detailing products, homemade weed killer like me, or vinegar mixes, this thing can actually handle it. The nozzle is adjustable too, so you can switch between a fine mist and a stronger jet stream depending on what you're spraying. And honestly, it just feels super high quality when you pick it up. The trigger is smooth, it sprays consistently, and it doesn't clog or quit after 2 uses like the cheap ones. One feature I really appreciate is the longer stem that works with different bottle sizes and the special acid-resistant parts inside that help it last longer. I know a spray bottle isn't exactly the most glamorous purchase on Amazon, but when something works this much better, you notice it immediately. This has saved me money, frustration, and honestly just made yard work and cleaning so much easier. If you're tired of constantly replacing broken sprayers, this is absolutely worth looking into. And if I can make one thing easier in your life today, let it be this.